Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Popeye was right. More greens for more strength. Consuming dark leafy greens appears to strengthen our muscles. In a study that followed the diets and physical status of about 3,800 men and women over a 12-year period, those consuming the most dietary nitrate, a compound abundant in dark leafy greens, exhibited significantly greater strength of the lower extremities relative to those consuming the least. Yay for greens. These findings stood up regardless of the amount of physical activity the subjects engaged in. More greens, greater muscular strength. Dietary nitrates boost the production of nitric oxide within the body, and nitric oxide is the body's universal artery opener and dramatically boosts blood flow. Knowing that healthy muscle function requires robust, big blood flow, these findings are not surprising. Take-home message: eat your greens. Think collards, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, turnip greens, and beet greens for a leaner and stronger you. Daily is best. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.